Me and Auntie at the beach. How's that? How's that? There's Auntie. I got her addicted to hunting for seashells. And sorry about that. This is my favorite place to be at the moment. Oop, oop, blind your ass by the sun. Housekeeping. I've informed the viewers. Ooh, huh. Wait. We got shadow puppets going on. Hold on. Let's do dun, 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 dun. We got shadows. We got our shadows.
Shadows.
Or what is it? I was thinking Destiny's Child. What is that? It's got one of them bitches in it.
Yeah.
You know, my ass looks pretty big. Hold on. There we go. Let me just hide. Just kidding. Nice. Do one more panoramic. Oh.
Awesome. I mean, as low as a tiger, where did we get ourselves from? Right up there, huh?
Right. See where that corner one is? We're actually before that. This is all uncovered, undiscovered territory. Da-na, 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 na-na, 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 na-na. You know, I bring these little videos because I know y'all, yes, you just said y'all, a lot of you guys won't get to see the beach. And for some of you that have, you can say, oh, my beach was better. This is the shit I'm looking for, right, ya? If you only knew how this stuff smelled. That's cool. Nice chunk of... Whoopa! We are going in looking for some seashells. How you like? Ah, hey! Pay attention, Winka! Where's my little turtle arms at? Huh? Where?
Big one.